Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we will be viewing 201 North 7th Street, apartment number 4 here in Yakima. It is located right in the corner of North 7th Street and Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Number 4 is the studio with the one bathroom. It is located on the second floor. Just through the side, there are some stairs. I apologize if it's a little shaky. Here we are. Once again, the address is 201 North 7th Street, apartment number 4. This is the studio with the bathroom. We are standing in the living room or living area. We have a small closet. The kitchen has huge windows. Baseboard heaters. We have the refrigerator and a stove with the oven. You do have a closet in here. You won't certainly walk in here. Here's a little hallway. That door gives you access to the hallway, the outside by the stairs where we came through. Here's the bathroom with a large bathtub. And that's it for this apartment. If you would like to request an application, you can call us at 519-314-4477. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once again, this address is 201 North 7th Street, apartment number 4. It is on the second floor. Which gives you a great view, especially with these huge windows in the kitchen. Thank you for watching.